Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Opening URLs in the same window and same tab, a comprehensive guide. This tutorial delves deep into the nuances of opening URLs within the same browser window and tab using JavaScript, HTML, and addressing potential challenges. We'll cover various scenarios, methods, and best practices to ensure a seamless user experience. Understanding the basics, window.location and window.location.href. The foundation of navigating a browser window is the window.location object. It provides access to the current URL and allows you to change it, effectively navigating the user to a new page. Specifically, the window.location.href property, often just written as window.location because assigning to window.location directly is equivalent to assigning to window.location.href, is the most common way to change the URL of the current page. Core method,